Hi, everybody. My name is Rob, and I am from Pennsylvania, and I am currently in my second year of my MSW journey. My first semester at Weiner University. I transferred previously from an in-person master's in social work program, and I am looking forward to getting to know all of you. A little bit about me is I am 29 years old, and I am currently an outreach coordinator for a local mental health nonprofit where I am in charge of their suicide prevention pathway. I'm in charge of all hospital discharges and scheduling them for outpatient services, and I'm part of the intake and referral department. Given this pandemic that we are in, it is extremely busy for me. Between doing my online work and all the requirements for that during the week and weekend, I have very little time to socialize or anything. It's eat, sleep, breathe, work, school. And I am looking forward to getting to build on my already conceptual knowledge. One of the main reason that I decided to pursue my MSW at this point in my life is because I did not want to stop school. I have currently been going to school for the last 8 years, and I felt if I lost my momentum, then I wouldn't go back. And doing the research that I did, all of the places that I want to be, at a hospital, a school social work, even child protective services, what requires a master's degree. You can do very little with your bachelor's degree in social work, or where I have my bachelor's degree is in psychology. In order to reach your full potential in the field, you have to go for your master's in something. And I have a great passion for social work. It is a profession that I knew I wanted to go into from a very young age. And I look forward to getting to know you all and building network connections and friendships. And please reach out if I can be of any assistance in any way. And thank you for your time, and take care.